Every season is a good season to declutter if it's made with intention and purpose. Decluttering and tidying up has the amazing power to make us feel lighter, less stressed, more organized. Because tidying up our space kind of feels like we're tidying up our lives. Or at least, it can be a good starting point. So, I'd say there's no right season to declutter and get rid of what we no longer need. But in the spirit of spring cleaning, I've decided to take a good look at my studio and get rid of a few things myself. First thing, clothes. I don't know why exactly, but I always find it easy to start with my wardrobe. Clothes that I haven't worn in a while, that no longer fit me well, or that I no longer need. I let them go to make space for the ones that I want to keep and cherish, and for the new stuff that I have bought and might want to buy in the future. Things that weigh me down emotionally, aka supplies that belong to my ideal self. Sewing machine and various fabric scraps in this case. I choose to accept my real self and I let go of everything that I don't feel like doing, for real. And I let go of the perfect versions of myself that I always fail to accomplish. Books. My book collection rarely stays the same. I donate and swap, and only few are the books that I always want to keep. But it's always good to take a look at it and see if there's anything that I can let go of now. Kitchen supplies. My kitchen is very small, and I need to be super careful with every single item that I decide to keep in there. I have way too many containers, for example. I don't need all of them. And now that I have adjusted to living alone in a studio, I know for sure which containers and other supplies I can do without. Miscellaneous. I have found some more things here and there that belong to none of the categories above and that I can definitely do without. Some of these things will be donated, some will be sold. But here's everything that I let go of this spring. And it feels very good to see it and acknowledge it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found some inspiration to spring clean your space and your life. If you did enjoy it, please like it, share it, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.